Yeah, good morning, everyone. So, towards the yesterday holiday, we saw Fed has come up with, as expected, no change in the interest rate, but they had done some reductions in the quantitative easing, which they were unwinding. So, earlier the target was $60 billion every month, which has been reduced to $25 billion. So that they had said that to smoothen the unwinding of the quantitative easing which was there. So that a bit positive from the market perspective, as it will reduce the unwinding in the market. Apart from that, Fed has also said that the rate increase is not on the card. So that was a fear which was building up in near past. So that the Fed has clarified, and if we see the market post closing has bounced back on this news that the increase in the interest rate is not on the card of Fed record. So U.S. market turned positive in the futures. Asian markets are also showing some indication of positiveness, and uh, Indian market will also see some positive trend. Oil in commodity, oil is has corrected majorly in last 2 days, and now almost down by around $4 from where it was in on the Tuesday same time. So that will also have some positive sentiment on the overall Indian equity market. So overall seems a positive day for the Indian market. Now I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. Last trading session, we saw that last half an hour we saw some pressure, but the Nifty managed to sustain 22,600. Next immediate support place around 22,540. If Nifty break this level, then we expect further fall. Otherwise, we expect today flattish open and remain a sideways. Upside next immediate intraday resistance 22,640 and then 22,700 next resistance for index. Bank Nifty also managed to sustain the important support zone and next support immediate support place around 49 to 40 and 200 at downside. If below that, then we expect further towards 49,000 and 800 and 700 at downside. Upside 49,600 is a major resistance for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty managed to sustain this level again, and then we expect again upside move towards 49,800 and 50,000 in upside. The overall both index trading near the support zone. If break, then we expect further sell up. Otherwise, we saw some sideways momentum in current level. Fin Nifty also trading above the important range that is 21,850 range. And next immediate resistance 22,040 and then 22,200 next resistance zone. First immediate support place around 21,730 and then 21,600 next immediate support for Fin Nifty. So all three index trading near the support zone. If managed to sustain, then we expect again upside momentum. But if fail the manage this important level, then we see some pressure towards important next immediate support we already mentioned in this report. Stock specific, Ashok Leyland looks positive. Federal Bank also looks positive at current level. Power Grid also looks positive in current level. We already given call in Power Grid and we expect this momentum to be continue towards 308 and 310 in upside. And chemical sector, Atul Industry right now trading in below the important zone, and we expect last few trading session in volume with price breakout. Do we expect Atul given a good breakout in weekly chart? Do we expect this stock trading above the important level? Do we expect this momentum to be continuous 6200 and 2,300 and upside. Negative side, Ambuja looks weak at current level. We saw last 3 to 4 trading session, Ambuja faced a immediate resistance in upside, and upside the 640, 638 is major resistance for Ambuja, and trading below that level to expect. If Ambuja breaks 14 level, then we expect further sell off towards 590 and 588 at downside. So that's it for technical derivative I can carry.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, Aaron. So on the derivatives front, as you witnessed that in day before yesterday's session, Nifty exactly took resistance near 20,800 level, which we have mentioned that at that strike there is a highest call at a positions, and the next immediate resistance will be faced at 23,000 mark. So Nifty is currently in the range of 22,500 to 22,800 level for the coming days of trading session till the point of time this range is not getting broken out, because at 22,500 also we are seeing that the put order positions are holding strongly on the monthly basis for the May series. So immediate support for the Nifty lies at 22,500 level. Till that point of time, it's not getting broken out. Till that point of time, we might witness some sideways momentum, and buying will be witnessed from the supportive zone of 22,500 level and supply towards the 22,800 mark. Once if Nifty manages to get stable about 20,800 level, then we will see Nifty to likely to approach to about 23,000 mark. But till the time Nifty is not going about 22,800 level, till that point of time, we should wait for the new long positions on the index specific front. While India VIX, we have seen that the in day before yesterday's session, India VIX increased by 5%. So as we are seeing that India VIX has taken the support near 10 mark, and we might expect the India VIX to start towards 16 to 18 level in coming days of trading session, due to which the volatility is likely to get extended from 500 to 800 points of a trading sessions. While on the PCRY, PCR closed at 1.10 level. The resistance on the PCR for the coming next 1 to 2 days of trading session will lie at 1.18 level. Once the PCR goes above 1.18 level for 1 to 2 hours, then we might expect some stability, and fresh buying can again be witnessed above 1.18 level. But till that time, Nifty is not going about 22,800 mark, and PCR is not going above 1.18 level. Till that point of time, there will be no confirmation for fresh buying in the market. On the stock specific front, HDFC, AMC, Jubilant Food, and Shriram Finance looks positive, while on the negative front, HCL Tech and BSOFT looks negative in today's days of trading session. So that's it from the front. Thank you.
Good morning. On the result side, Star Health and Allied Insurance result has improved. Gross written premium has increased 18% year on year. Profits have grown 40%. Combined ratio deteriorated slightly to 92.7% versus last year's 91.4%. But overall, we are positive on Star Health. REC result is above expectation. Profit before provisioning grew 6% sequentially and 27% year on year. Provision write-back was higher than expectation, which led to beat on profits. Profits came at close to 4,000 crores versus expectation of 3,500 crores. And in December quarter, profit was at 3,300 crores. Loan growth was at 17% year on year, and company is expected to maintain this going forward. We remain positive. Geojit Financial Services result has improved on the back of strong brokerage income and a substantial jump in insurance distribution. Total revenue increased 88% year on year and 23% sequentially. Equity segment also increased 23% sequentially, while the financial product segment almost doubled on year and QOQ basis. Within this, the main mover was the insurance distribution segment. So stock is expected to do well going forward. Five-Star Business Finance result has improved. AUM growth continued to grow fast with sequential growth of 8% and year-on-year growth of 39%. Similar growth was witnessed in profits as well. Asset quality is stable with net NPA remaining at 0.6%. 1+ DPD has been continuously declining and is now at 12.6% against December quarter 13.3%, and last year it was 16.5%. We remain positive on the stock, but the only issue is that Four private equity players are wanting to exit, and that is putting technical pressure on the stock. Otherwise, we remain positive from a long-term perspective. Cholamandalam Investment and Finance result is above expectation due to lower credit cost. AUM continued to grow at fast pace with 9% sequential growth and 37% year-on-year. Credit cost came at 50 basis points against expectation of 100 basis points, resulting in profit growth of 21% sequentially, 24% year-on-year. Asset quality further improved with net NPA falling to 2.3% against 2.6% in December. We remain positive on Cholamandalam Investment. Thank you.
Good morning. Wipro has received a multi-million deal from Nokia, wherein they'll be building a AI-powered cloud-based solution for Nokia's workforce, which comprises of around 87,000 users globally across 130 countries of operation. That's positive for Wipro. Thank you. That's all from me.
Yeah, apart from this, Ambuja Cement came up with the numbers, and numbers were below expectations. The volume came at 9.5 million ton, higher than expectation of around 9 million ton. And last year, same time, it was 8.1 million ton. So there was volume has increased substantially, but the EBITDA per ton has come off, which has come at 840 rupees per ton versus last quarter 1038 and last year 973. So if we compare it with Ultratech or ACC, the EBITDA per ton is quite low as compared to them. The expectations of EBITDA was also higher at almost 22%, whereas it has come at 17%. So the result of Ambuja Cement is lower than expected. Then Castrol came up with the number. Here again, the numbers has shown some declining trend. We had seen quite a positive movement in the last quarter, but thereafter in this quarter, revenue it is increased by around 2.4% year-on-year, and EBITDA has come at 22% versus last quarter 26%, though last year it was 23%. So here again, the result is below expectations. Then another company, Indus Tower, which is in limelight, has reported result ahead of expectations. Revenue has grown by 6.5% quarter-on-quarter, and EBITDA margin has also came in at 52% versus expectation of 47%, and last quarter 50%. So on absolute basis also from last year, last quarter it has shown increase. Share is trading at around 16.3 times PE FY25. So with the successful IPO of Idea, the outlook on Indus Tower has shown has improved. RPG Life Science has reported okay set of number. Generally, this quarter is a soft quarter for them, and quarter on quarter we see decline, but year on year it has shown improvement. It has increased by 7.2%, though it is lower than the trend which it was following in the previous quarters. It was showing in double digit, and at this time it has come in single digit. So to that extent it is lower, but and may see some softness in the prices because of that. But overall, the outlook from a longer term perspective will continue to remain positive. So if we see some good corrections in the prices, one can look at PC stock. Then another company, Havells, has reported numbers which were ahead of expectations. Here again, the revenue grew by around 12% year on year, and EBITDA margin came in at 11.7% versus expectation of 10.3%, and last quarter 9.8%. So major gain is coming on account of EBITDA expansion. Share is fairly priced at around 64 times FY25 earning. Yeah, now, Pawar, you're there for two-wheeler sales? Or should I take up? Hello? Yeah, two-wheeler sales has come for this month, and the numbers are positive for two-wheelers, whereas Maruti has seen below expected number, and Escorts continue, tractor sales continue to remain under pressure. In two-wheeler, TVS and Hero both have reported very good number, year-on-year growth of almost around 35% for Hero and 25% for TVS. So we may see some positive movement in the two-wheeler related stocks, specifically auto ancillaries, and also some financiers also will see positive trend because of the two-wheeler financing. Apart from this, Tata Motor has also reported bit numbers ahead of expectations. Whereas Eicher Motor, which is a two-wheeler, has reported bit softer number as compared to the other two peers. So now I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So, gold prices have opened gap up 400 odd rupees. So, it can test 71 350 to 400 on upside. However, one should wait for a dip around 70,900 to 850 levels, and then initiate long. Prices should be supportive around 70,700. So there could be some range bound movement from 70,700 to 71,400. So trading in this range is recommended. Silver also, one should buy with a stop loss of yeah, 80,800 for trading purpose, and a pullback is expected till 82,000. So buying on dips around 81,100, 81,000 is recommended. Copper, one can strictly buy with a stop loss of 853, and on pullback again 862, where profit taking is advisable. Also, one can initiate a sell around 862. Similarly, zinc also expected to test 257, 58 levels on upside. So buying strictly with a stop loss of 253, and on again upside, one can initiate a sell for trading with a stop loss of 259.50. And crude oil prices are expected to hold the support around 65.50, 65.80. So buying around that, these levels are recommended, and maintain a stop loss of 6,500, and on upside it can test 6,700 to 6,720, whereby again selling pressure could be witnessed from 6,720. So one can initiate a sell from the those levels. Natural gas, we are expecting prices to test 170.75. So buying with a stop loss of 153 is recommended. Buying around 160 levels is recommended. That's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session in USGNR, we are expecting some sideways to bullish momentum in the range of 83.43 on the lower side and 83.60 on the higher side. So one can initiate long positions around 83.47 to 83.49 levels with a stop loss of 83.41 for the target of 83.56 and 83.60 levels. Thank you.